This is going to be a video tutorial on how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. As you can see up top here, my Bookmarks bar has been enabled. It is on. To enable or disable the Bookmarks bar, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to place your mouse cursor over where it says Bookmarks. And then you go straight off to the left here, and you can see all your whatever bookmarks you have will be listed over here. And right up top here where it says Show Bookmarks Bar, as you can see, mine has a check next to it. It has been enabled. If I click on it again, my Bookmarks bar disappears. I'm going to go back up to the three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over Bookmarks. I'm going to go straight off to the left. I'm going to go back up to the Show Bookmarks bar. I'm going to click on it. And now my bookmark bar has been enabled again. And that is how to show or hide the Bookmarks bar in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.